Hello everyone, Kevin here, back again with another painting. I hope you are all well. It's another sunny day here in New Zealand, at least in this part of New Zealand. I decided to make a drawing and a painting of a bird on a beach. I think the bird is a plover, but you can correct me if you know what it is. But we'll just get along with it anyway. It's got some interesting plumage. On this one. As you can see, my drawings are sort of impressionistic. With this style of painting, it doesn't have to be, in my opinion anyway, it doesn't have to be in microscopic detail. I think there's more to be said for the process of painting than the end result. At least it is for me, because I really enjoy the process more than anything. So this is just a rough outline to start with to get us going. There's the beach line there, and a few waves coming in. I'll roughly put the shadows into the waves to start with. And then we'll go from there. So that should do it for the outline anyway. Sorry about that. We'll make a start with the watercolour. You may be able to hear the wind blowing in the background outside. It's a bit of a gale out there today. I don't know. Seems to be different every day. We started off with a nice sunny day, and still sunny, but there's the winds come up. Now, what I'll do here is just indicate the sand. Oh, that's what it is. I wrote at the bottom of the page, it's called a sandpiper. So now that will take the mystery out of it. And it's quite an appropriate name for it. I don't see a lot of sandpipers on New Zealand beaches, mainly seagulls. But these sandpipers certainly look like a beautiful bird in their own right. You may hear the dog breathing in the background. He's just gone off to sleep. So he's as happy as a sand boy. So this sandpiper has lovely plumage. It seems to blend in with the sand. Probably the idea. Camouflages itself amongst the dunes. Just hit that subscriber button, because that will help a lot to getting this channel going. I'm getting a few views, but people aren't subscribing. So that would be much appreciated. If you're getting value out of the content and you want to see more videos just like this one, then that would be good. You won't miss out. Over in the distance, there's been bushes on the sand dunes here. Blowing up in the wind. Now, just touch up some of these colours here. These are sort of spotty feathers bird has. Uh, I'm running out of paint spray, so I have to put some more on my palette to indicate the shadows and everything. That's probably too much on the brush. Just the shadow coming from this side. And a bit under the neck. And there's a bit of a shadow there. I didn't get his feet in. He was too quick for me. Mm. Get up a bit. Yeah, we'll get some of the. We'll do the sky next. Some of that cerulean blue. What I'm going to do over here is a bit of wet on wet. And look at that. See? Soften up that sky a bit. Yeah, not marine blue. One on there. I want to differentiate the sky from the, let's see, oh dear. I have to make the horizon now, yeah. Oh, that's all right. Yeah, right there, here, it's a better definition. And and so off your uncle Charlie Durant. The blue is a good colour for shadows. The Impressionists used to use blue for their shadows. You see it in a lot of their paintings. And so there we are. Another one finished. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you can subscribe and like and comment, etc. And we'll see you in the next one. Cheerio. Bye bye.